Huh, what's this?
Got it. All right, keep her steady.
Keep it steady. That's it. Got it. This is really coming off now. Yeah, almost got the roof clear.
Huh, it's deeper than I thought. Look at the state of this. It's really rough.
Right.
But imagine it like this. Huh. What is this?
All right, let's take a look at this. Easy now.
Yes.
There we go. Hold it tight. It's not moving.
Right.
Just a bit more. Well, there she sits. Just me and you now. Time to bring this beauty back to life. Still a long way to go.
Secure. All good on this side.
Keep your thumb ready. Almost there. The mounts are free. Perfect. Help.
Steady.
Just a little higher.
That's thinner than it looked. Definitely gonna need a patch.
Damn. That's thinner than it should be right there. Perfect. It's solid. Looks pretty good. Let's hit that one more time. All right, perfect. Keep it steady, watch the left side. It's coming down, just a little further. Stop, right there. Align the mounts, perfect. All right, that's it, good to go.
Almost there. Perfect fit.
All right, just a bit more.
Yeah.
Easy. Got it? Perfect. Perfect. That's it. Okay,
All right, perfect fit. Just got to thread these bolts. Nice and tight. Looks good.
Torque's good.
Still not quite right. Back it off. Let me adjust the position. Okay, that feels better. Let's try that again. There we go, clicking perfectly now.
Come on. Come on.
Nothing. Sounds weak. It's flooding. Try again. All right. Last shot.
Not again. Damn it. Come on. Yes. There it is. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Everything looks good on the telemetry. Feeling it out, right on the edge.